Walking, knocking, and more knocking.
We have to knock on each door in this entire building. Yesterday, my colleagues' knuckles were red and swollen.
Li Feng checks 1,000 residents' health statuses to uncover coronavirus cases within her jurisdiction, or what she calls the grid. This community of 5,000 people is divided into 6 grids. It has become a daily routine for Wuhan's community workers since the coronavirus outbreak.
My colleagues and I have worked every day since February the 2nd. No days off, no weekends.
Li's 2-year-old son at one point thought his mom was a sidekick of his favorite cartoon heroes.
Paw Patrol, ready for action, Riders, sir!
My son thought I worked for the Paw Patrol. Then his dad told him the situation was quite serious. He started to worry about me, even had nightmares, crying, "Mom's in the hospital." He thought I got sick.
There are hundreds of community workers like her in Wuhan. Their mothers, wives, sons and husbands. Yet for their neighbors, someone to count on.
We're going to visit an elderly woman who lives alone. Her family called community service, hoping we could check on her if she had any trouble or need anything. We're packing some vegetables for her now.
Many elderly people live in this old neighborhood. Some suffer from chronic diseases. It makes them more vulnerable to this deadly virus. Aside from daily checks, the staff and community service volunteers also bring these people food and medicine. 78-year-old Miss Yu lives alone. Her family was either busy at work or heeding calls to stay indoors. This time, the worker brought carrots for her beef stew.
I'm very thankful for their services. It's so heartwarming. I'm very touched by the authorities' efforts and care for me. I live alone, but I do feel I'm in good hands.
After a long morning of work, it's time for lunch break. Or maybe not. Her work continues either at the office or visiting each floor. Li's shift ends at 5:30. She carpools with her colleagues for the long ride home. When we asked if we could visit her family, Li hesitated and declined our request. But this dedicated public servant says she'd welcome us anytime if it weren't for the outbreak. Sun Tianyuan, CGTN, Wuhan.